fourth generation ironworker from my father's side and third from my mother's.
My father worked on the original Twin Towers. My father also worked on 7 World Trade Center, the original, 1985.
My grandfather worked in the original transportation hub. I don't know what year the best shot right here, but I'm glad that I got into the business.
Oh, there was a lot of planning into setting that last piece of the spire. Where it was definitely one of the most exciting days here and satisfaction days here, it was also the most stressful day. So the stress, we're doing so many things here that were firsts. Putting the crane up on top of the doghouse, jumping this crane to heights that the crane never jumped to. We were able to set the spire. We had about this much left between the top of the crane and the top of the spire. I mean, you know, on paper, that's okay. When you're up there at 1,701 feet, waiting for that last piece of the spire to come at you, and then the wind kicks in a little bit.
I'm always, you know, telling my kids about it and let them know, tell their, you know, friends at school or their teachers that their dad set the spire on Tower 1. It's great, great feeling. Great feeling when you get to say that. Not many people get to say that.